Bunsen burner safety notes. Bunsen burners are used as a heat source in chemistry labs. Since they produce an open flame, extra precautions should be taken. Make sure that there is nothing flammable around the Bunsen burner, including any papers, lab notebook, chemicals, long hair caps, dangling clothing or jewelry. Check the space above, too. Never leave open flames unattended. Shut off the gas immediately when you are finished. A Bunsen burner is a gas-fueled device used for heating or burning materials in the laboratory. It is very safe when used correctly. There are several types of Bunsen burners, including these two. Three key components of a Bunsen burner are a sidearm through which gas enters the burner, a gas inlet valve which controls the gas flow through the Bunsen burner, and an air vent which controls the air supply. In addition to the Bunsen burner, you need a hose, a striker, and a source of gas. Before connecting the Bunsen burner to the gas source, inspect the hose for cracks or holes. Throw away the hose if it is defective and get another one. Connect one end of the hose to the gas source and the other end to the Bunsen burner's sidearm. Sometimes the hose is a little rigid. Twist and move the hose and the Bunsen burner until the Bunsen burner is in a stable position. Notice the position of the handle on the gas valve. The valve is closed when the handle is perpendicular to either side of the valve. It is open when the handle is parallel or directly aligned with the valve. Never try to control the gas flow with this valve. That is the job of the gas inlet valve on the Bunsen burner. Ensure that the striker is working properly. You should see a spark when you pull the arms together. Also, make sure there is a spark when you hold it at an angle over the Bunsen burner. You may find it easier to use two hands. Before opening the gas, make sure the gas inlet valve on the Bunsen burner is closed. Remember the phrase righty-tighty, lefty-loosey to know which way to turn the valve. Close the air valve by rotating the sleeve on the burner. For efficient combustion, oxygen is combined with the gas in the burner. You will need to reopen this valve once the burner is lit. Check the space above the Bunsen burner. If there is a snorkel fume extractor, move it out of the way. It should not be directly above the Bunsen burner since the heat will blister the paint. Open the gas valve on the bench completely, and then open the gas inlet valve on the burner. Holding the striker on an angle over the top of the burner, strike it to ignite the gas. Using one hand to hold the base of the burner, use the other hand to adjust the air valve until the flame is pale blue and has three cones or regions of color. Notice that the cone of the outline in the middle is a slightly different blue. This counts as one of the three cones. Again, while holding the base with one hand, slowly turn the gas inlet valve on the burner until the flame is about 1.5 inches high. You will hear a slight buzzing sound. This sound is characteristic of a burner that is working well. Never leave a Bunsen burner unattended while it is lit. Someone must be with it at all times. When finished, close the gas valve on the bench and remove the hose. Let it cool before returning it to its proper location. We hope that you found this video on using the Bunsen burner helpful. Stay safe and enjoy the chemistry lab.